Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Yesterday, we have studied about incomplete dominance. I hope you understood the matter. In case of incomplete dominance, the dominant allele fails to suppress the recessive allele. As a result, F1 generation is intermediate in nature. You have studied an example in case of Snapdragon, when the scientist crossed a plant with a red flower with another plant having white flower. F1 generation is pink in color, intermediate in color. And in the F2 generation, both phenotypic and genotypic ratio is of 1:2:1. Now a doubt may arise in your mind. Why we cannot call this incomplete dominant as a blending type of inheritance? Got the meaning of blending? Blending means mixing. So for example, if you mix the red and white, we will get which color? Pink color. So, but incomplete dominance cannot be considered as blending type of inheritance. Why it cannot be considered as blending type? If blending occurred, if mixing occurred, then in F2 generation what should happen? All should be of pink in color. But in reality, in the F2 generation, we are getting the ratio of 1:2:1. It is clear to you, incomplete dominance cannot be considered as blending type of inheritance, because if blending occurred in the F2 generation also, all flowers should be of pink in color. But in reality, we got 1:2:1 ratio. So, incomplete dominance cannot be considered as blending type of inheritance. Now, the next one is about the codominance. So, what is codominance? So, in codominance, two different alleles of the gene, two different alleles of a gene express themselves side by side under which condition? Heterozygous condition. Try to understand. First, you have studied about total or complete dominance. For example, when we are crossing tall and dwarf, in the F1 generation, we got heterozygous tall, that is capital T and small t. Here, capital T, the dominant allele, suppressed the recessive one and expressed itself. That is called which one? Dominance. Second, you have studied incomplete dominance. There, the dominant allele fails to suppress the recessive allele and intermediate color appeared in which generation? F1 generation. Third one is which one? Codominance. Here, two different alleles of the same gene are expressing themselves simultaneously in a heterozygous condition. Heterozygous condition means just like capital T, small t. Here both of them are expressing themselves side by side. The well-known example for this type is of our blood group. Which blood group is an example? AB blood group is an example. So here the offspring of F1 generation resemble both the parents. Got an idea? In case of complete dominant, F1 resemble only the dominant parent. In incomplete dominance, F1 is intermediate. But in codominance, F1 resemble both the parent. Got the meaning of codominance? Here, both the alleles of the same gene are expressing themselves side by side under which condition? Heterozygous condition. So the well-known example for codominance is of which blood group? AB blood group. I hope last year we have studied. There are 4 types of blood groups are there. A group, B group, AB group and O group. You have also studied O is universal donor and AB group is of universal recipient. So among the 4 group, AB blood group is an example for codominance. So if you are taking the blood group is called as ABO blood group. Human blood group, A group, B group, AB and O. So that all are controlled by a single gene, because character is one, blood group is one character. That is controlled by how many gene? One gene. The gene is called I. Now the plasma membrane of the RBC has a sugar polymer. Plasma membrane of RBC has a sugar polymer that normally protrude or project from the surface, and a kind of sugar is controlled by this gene. So in case of blood group, all the blood groups are controlled by a single gene. The plasma membrane of the RBC cell has a sugar polymer that protrudes on the surface. The kind of sugar is controlled by the gene. So this gene is having 3 alleles. Normally a gene consists of how many alleles? Only 2 alleles. But here it is an exceptional case. Here gene I has 3 alleles. What are the 3 alleles it is having? One is IA. So when you are writing, how to write? I superscript A. Second allele is of IB. I superscript B. Then the third one is small I, because it is a recessive allele. Got the meaning of it? Blood group is governed by one allele, one gene, that is I. How many alleles it is having? 3 alleles. One is IA. How to write? I superscript A. Second is I superscript B, IB. Third allele is of small I. This small I is recessive. So the allele IA and IB produces a slightly different form of sugar polymer, whereas the small I cannot produce any sugar. That is why it is recessive. This is clear. IA and IB produces slightly a different form of sugar polymer, but the small I, this allele, does not produce any sugar. So if you are taking AB group, the genotype is of IA and IB. Here both of them are expressing themselves side by side. Both are alleles of which gene? I gene. And they are expressing themselves side by side. Under which condition? IA, IB is heterozygous condition. This is what is called as codominance. So in codominance, the F1 generation resembles both the parents. So when IA and IB are present together, they both express their own type of sugar. That is why it is called as codominance. Now if you are taking the alleles, how many alleles are there? 3 alleles are there. Single gene having more than 2 allele is called multiple allele. Keep it in your mind. Example for codominance is AB blood group, whereas ABO blood type or ABO blood grouping is called as multiple allele. Multiple allele means normally a single gene consists of only 2 allele. But here what is happening? Single gene is having more than 2 allele. So it is called as multiple allele. So let us take one by one. Blood group is which one? Blood group, let us take A group. A group, how many allele? 1 allele is IA. Another one is also IA. So under homozygous condition, A group is represented as IA. Now let us take under heterozygous condition. So here let us take it. This is under. So if you are taking this A group, one parent IA, another parent I, so IAI. This is which condition? Genotype, heterozygous condition. Same A group, homozygous condition, genotype is IAIA, heterozygous condition it is IAI. Likewise, here you can take AB group, IAIB. Both of them are expressing side by side. So AB group always the genotype is of IAIB. Now let us move on to B group. If you take B group, here you can see under homozygous condition it is of IBIB. Under heterozygous condition it is of IBI. Now the last one is which group? O group. O group is a recessive group. So it is small I, small I. This is clear. Gene is 1. How many alleles are there? 3 alleles are there. What are the 3 alleles? One is IA. Second is IB. Third one is small I. So single gene having more than 2 allele is called as multiple allelism. So if you take A group under homozygous condition, genotype is IAIA. Under heterozygous condition, IAI. B group under homozygous condition IBIB. Under heterozygous condition it is IBI. AB group IAIB. That is the only one genotype. And O group is recessive group. So it is represented as small I, small I. This is clear. Up to this you got it, children. So multiple allelism means a single gene having more than 2 allele. Example is of ABO blood group. So just compare it. In case of dominance, dominant allele express itself by suppressing the recessive one. F1 generation always resemble the dominant parent. Second is incomplete dominance. Here the dominant allele fails to mask the recessive allele completely. So the F1 generation is of intermediate. Example is of Snapdragon. And third one is about codominance. In codominance, both the alleles of the same gene express themselves side by side under heterozygous condition. Example is of AB group. Next one is multiple allele, single gene having more than 2 allele. Example is of ABO blood grouping in human. Gene is I. It has 3 allele, IA, IB and small I. Okay, go through up to this. If you have any doubt, feel free to clarify it. Thank you, children.